Hello everyone. Today we are going to study numerical on moment of resistance. Let's get started. First of all, we have to study design steps of section analysis. Design steps, section analysis problem, analysis of singly reinforced section. First type, given question to find moment of resistance of beam. Moment of resistance of beam, it is denoted by mu and allowable load on given span. Step 1. Given data, these all the elements which are given in question: FCK, compressive strength of concrete; Fy, grade of steel; B is the width of section, D is the depth of section, and AST is the area of steel. Step 2. Calculate XU. What is the meaning of XU? XU is the depth of neutral axis. XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. Step 3. Determine maximum depth of neutral axis. Maximum depth of neutral axis. How to find maximum depth of neutral axis? As per given value of grade of steel. For example, Fe 250, XU max is equal to 0.53 small d. Then step 4. Compare XU and XU max and decide the section. XU is less than, if XU is less than XU max, therefore the section is under reinforced section. If XU is equal to XU max, therefore the section is balanced reinforced section. If XU is greater than XU max, then therefore the section is over reinforced section. Okay, XU is the depth of neutral axis. Step 5. Calculate mu. Write down the formula as per given section. As per section. For example, for under reinforced section, to find mu is equal to Tu into Z. For under reinforced section. So what is the condition under reinforced section? If the value of XU is less than XU max, the value of XU max, therefore the section is under reinforced. Then for under reinforced section, find out moment of resistance. Moment of resistance is calculated by formula Tu into Z. Then for balanced section, mu limit means limiting moment of resistance is calculated by formula Cu into Z. So this is the formula for balanced section. What is meant by balanced section? If the value of XU is equal to the value of XU max, then the section is balanced reinforced section, right? Then third, for over reinforced section, mu is calculated, means moment of resistance is calculated by formula Cu into Z. Cu is the compressive force, Z is the lever arm between the sections, Tu is the tensile force. So what is the meaning of over reinforced section? If the value of Xu is greater than Xu max, therefore the section is over reinforced section. So what is the meaning of under reinforced, balance reinforced and over reinforced section. So these are the conditions for under reinforced, balance reinforced and over reinforced section. We are going to discuss the stress block diagram. See, this is the stress block diagram. This figure shows that the relation between stress to strain of steel and concrete under the action of load, which is shown straight line, as a straight line, right? You can see the design stress block parameters are as follows. This is the XU. XU is the depth of neutral axis, and this is the value of 0.42 XU, means depth of center of compressive force from the extreme fiber, okay, in compression. You can see the design stress block parameters are as follows. Depth of center of compressive force from the extreme fiber in compression, this is the value 0.42 XU. XU is the depth of neutral axis. FCK means compressive strength of concrete. XU is the depth of neutral axis. CU is the total compression or compressive force. Fy is the characteristics strength of steel or grade of steel. The next point, moment of resistance for singly reinforced section. So what are the type of sections? Under reinforced section, balance reinforced section and over reinforced section. So first we will see under reinforced section. What is the condition? Condition when the value of XU is less than XU max. Then find out moment of resistance for under reinforced section is TU into Z, where MU is equal to moment of resistance, TU tensile force, Z is equal to the lever arm between compressive and tensile force. Okay, so TU is calculated by formula 0.87 Fy AST and Z is calculated by formula T minus 0.42 XU. So MU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST into in bracket D minus 0.42 XU. So this is the first condition under reinforced section. Then second, balance section. Balance section condition if the value of XU is equal to XU max, then therefore this is called as balance section. MU limit means limiting moment of resistance is equal to CU into Z for balance section. This formula for balance section. Then CU is the compressive force, Z the lever arm between compressive and tensile force. So MU limit formula 0.36 XU max divided by D in bracket 1 minus 0.42 XU max divided by D into BD square into FCK. Then third condition, over reinforced section. If the value of XU is greater than the value of XU max, therefore this is called as over reinforced section. For over reinforced section, moment of resistance is calculated by formula CU into Z, where Cu is the compressive force and Z is the lever arm between compressive and tensile force. So Mu is equal to 0.36 FCK into B into XU max in bracket D minus 0.42 XU max. Okay. Thank you.